Hey there, in this demo, I'm going to show you how we can use a little bit of HTML and CSS to create custom divider lines that can be copied directly into your Gmail message. Now, this can be done without HTML by using a combination of hyphens and dashes, but it won't give us as much design flexibility. With HTML and CSS, we can control the width, height, spacing, border radius, color, etc. So I went ahead and made a few variations in this code pen that will be in the description of this video. You can copy these, or if you want to customize it even further, you can copy them into a new code pen, or go ahead and ask your favorite AI tool. So in this code pen, I went ahead and added a little bit of spacing before and after the emojis, so you can easily copy only the divider. And I went ahead and started working on a makeshift email. Now, my opinion, it's better if you have the email already written up and then paste in the divider line as opposed to doing it as you're working on the email. That way it won't affect any of your text styling. So you can see I have a little sample where I say this is a sentence above my divider line, and then this is a sentence below my divider line. So I go back to my code pen. To make sure it really stands out in the video, I'm going to use this number 5, this bold, rounded divider. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So you can see I have a little bit of spacing here. So I'm going to do Command C, and I'll go back to my email and put my cursor right after the word line on the first line, and then Command V to paste it in. And then you might have to adjust spacing a little bit, but there it works. You can see we have the rounded line in the email now. So there you go. Hope this helps with your emails. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.